So here we are, April 22nd, birthday, and we wake to a blanket of snow. Now hopefully my peas, which are under cover, will make it through this, but I'm afraid it was 24 degrees last night. And we've got some drooping elderberry flowers. We had more lilac flowers than ever, and they're drooping. Look at all the ant mounds. He don't mind. You don't mind, do you? You don't mind that. Give me 5. Garlic was getting really big, but it's very resilient. Had some onions just poking up. Birds, they got it rough. Luckily, they got me to feed them. Yeah, I did not think this late in the season we were going to get another snow, but it was cold. I mean, we've had wet snow in the spring before. This is out of control. So, sadly, there was a killdeer that's got a nest right at the end of the driveway. I don't know why they choose such weird spots. But anyway, there they are. Still sitting on her nest. I won't take the dog over there. He'll just disturb him. Well, at least we got some sun. And tomorrow's supposed to be 50 degrees. So, short-lived. Luckily, the fruit trees hadn't blossomed yet. But they were a hot minute away. You know, the peaches were really close to opening it up. Thank goodness they didn't. Peaches and pears, cherries, everybody was ready to open up. Luckily they didn't. So, there you go.